Emmy, welcome. Today in Oculus Quest virtual reality, using my hands, we're checking out Stride. Like a little bullet on top there is kind of cool, which is running and shooting game. We're going to try and do it with Steam and virtual desktop, so I will hopefully survive. Tetherless. Oh, okay. Use the left stick.
Use the left stick to walk.
I knew that. Use the left.
Wave your hand while walking. To run, wave your hand while walking.
Oh, so walk and do this.
To grip onto ledges, use the grip button on either controller. To grip onto ledges, use the grip button on either controller.
Okay.
To grip on... You can climb a variety of obstacles using the grip button. You can climb a variety of obstacles using...
Okay. I got it. You still with me out there? Okay, this...
Hold down button A on the right controller to prepare, then release the button to complete the jump. While jumping, swing your arms up. The stronger you swing,
Ooh, that was pretty scary, actually. Oh!
jump off the obstacle. To do so, simply make another jump while you are above the obstacle. You can jump off the obstacle.
That was pretty freaky.
Jump forward to the ledge and grab it. Jump forward.
Ooh, and then the grip button could show on top. Okay.
At difficult moments, as well as in combat, you can use focus. To do this, press B on the right controller. Focus is active for 3 seconds and then automatically turns off.
Okay, I think I got the hang of that. If I'm not frozen. Oh, okay, I'm not frozen. Okay. Ooh! Jump down there.
To run along the wall, simply jump on it and continue running. To release from the wall, press A again to jump off. In order to run along
What?
the wall, simply jump on it and continue running. To release from the wall, press A again to jump off.
Oh! That was wild. Ooh, just made that one.
You have a pistol holstered on your side. To remove the pistol from its holster, turn your hand towards your armpit and grasp the gun using the controller's grip. Use the trigger to shoot. To reload, simply point the muzzle of the gun downwards. To put the pistol back into its holster, release the controller's grip. You have a pistol holstered on your side. To remove the pistol from its holster, turn your hand towards your armpit and grasp the gun using the controller's grip. Use the trigger to reload.
Okay, I got that.
The muzzle of the gun downwards. To put the pistol back into its holster, release the controller's grip.
I got that.
You will come across snipers in various mods. To dodge the sniper shot, you can physically dodge when you see the laser sight. You will come across snipers. You will come across snipers in various mods. To dodge the sniper shot, you can physically dodge when you see the laser sight. You will come across snipers in various mods.
I like the way they fall over. That's neatly done. Wrong button.
To perform a slide, squat down while running. To perform a slide, squat down while running.
God, whoa. So it's thumbstick, arms.
To perform a slide.
Thumbstick, arms. Jump.
To use the zip line, simply jump towards the zip line and grab it.
Simply. Oh, oh, from my stomach. Oh, from my stomach.
To use the hook, first make a fist using the controller's grip. Then direct your hand to the desired point. Jump and shoot the hook using the trigger.
What? Run. Move.
Hook, first make a fist using the controller's grip. Then direct your hand.
Run. Jump. Grip. Fire. Run. Jump. Grip. Fire. Oh, bloody hell. Run. Jump. Grip. Fire. Run. Jump. Grip. Fire. Holy sh! Oh no, I missed it!
To use the hook, first make a fist using the controller.
Run.
To use the hook,
Jump. Grip. Fire. I got it. Step back. Run. Jump. Grip. Fire. I got it. No, 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 no. Ooh. And then just run and jump. And then... Grip. Okay. And just jump. Oh, no, mistake. That's it. Oh! No. Can I just go straight up there? Oh, I gotta do it again. Oh no! Oh, this is gonna be so frustrating. Oh, get over! Oh, I'm starting to sweat now. Gun. Oh! What? Run, jump, grip, fire. Run, jump, grip, fire. Oh! And over there. And up there. And back to the ground again. And run into the wall. Okay. No, jump, jump. No. Did I do it? Yeah! Bloody hell, that's the tutorial. That's the tutorial for Stride. That's the tutorial for Stride! Whoa! Pick us up on Steam. I heard there's a few little bugs in it, but they're still developing, so yeah. Yeah, pick it up. My name is G, I represent the Academy. Wherever you are, whatever you do, have a good one.